Hi, I'm gonna sing "Let Me Love You" by Mario, and I hope you guys like it. So, here we go. Um, Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that they're all lies. As bad as you are, stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you'd never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good things. Fist full of diamonds, hands full of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you why. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Excuse me. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah, listen. Your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99. It's a shame you don't know your worth. Everywhere they go, they stop and stare, 'cause you're bad and shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, no. That was Mario, Let Me Love You. Hope you guys like it. World peace, love you guys. Love One Direction. Harry, Zayn, peace.